Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome is expected to make a major entry into the market for luxury recreational vehicles from a company known for its dependability, toughness, and ever-evolving design aesthetic. It is anticipated that this car will perfectly combine Toyota's fundamental technical values with the luxurious features and sophisticated design that discriminating customers in the luxury motorhome market demand. The appearance of the 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome is expected to radiate aerodynamic efficiency and subtle grace. Its aesthetic appeal is expected to be defined by its carefully designed profile, integrated lighting features that use cutting-edge LED technology, and smooth, flowing lines. Premium composite panels and well-placed chrome accents are examples of high-quality materials that are anticipated to contribute to a stylish and long-lasting appearance. The practical demands of long trips will probably be met by plenty of storage options that are smoothly incorporated into the vehicle's architecture. The 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome's elegant look is anticipated to be supported by a sturdy and painstakingly designed chassis, possibly utilizing Toyota's vast experience with truck and SUV platforms. A smooth and competent driving experience is expected from a strong yet fuel-efficient drivetrain, which may include hybrid technology in keeping with Toyota's larger environmental pledges. In order to provide a calm and comfortable ride worthy of a luxury title, advanced suspension systems in conjunction with sophisticated noise and vibration dampening techniques are essential. The 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome's inside is where the focus on comfort and luxury will be most noticeable. It is anticipated that premium natural materials like soft leather furniture, finely crafted oak cabinetry, and premium textiles would create a warm and opulent living area. It is expected that the layout will be carefully planned to optimize utility and space use, maybe including elements like slide-out portions to increase the living area. Modern technology, such as a comprehensive entertainment system with huge, high-resolution screens, sophisticated networking choices, and top-tier audio systems, will be effortlessly incorporated throughout the cabin. It's also anticipated to include smart home connectivity, which enables simple control over entertainment features, climate control, and lighting. To meet the demands of prolonged self-sufficient travel, the cooking area should have upscale appliances, sophisticated surfaces, and lots of storage. The sleeping areas are intended to be peaceful havens with cozy bedding and thoughtfully planned storage options. High-end fixtures and finishes are expected to create a spa-like experience in the restrooms. With Toyota's well-known reputation for dependability and quality, the 2026 Toyota Luxury Motorhome is set to appeal to a market looking for a dependable and opulent home on wheels. It is anticipated to be a strong contender in the premium RV market, possibly highlighting a harmony between elegant style, cutting-edge technology, and the innate dependability that the Toyota name represents. The excitement surrounding this possible vehicle points to a substantial and opulent addition to the recreational vehicle market, even though specifics are still up in the air.